step right up for success at Carotek's 2024 Process Solutions Summit. This is the Process Solutions event of the year. 2 days packed with world-class training, hands-on labs, and live demonstrations from industry titans like Andresen Hauser, Viking Pump, Flowserve, and over 30 more. From energy conservation to decarbonization, production optimization to maintenance reduction, this is where innovation meets execution. Rub elbows with the best in the business, earn professional development credits, and get an inside look at Carotek's state-of-the-art process training unit, a fully functional mini process plant. And it doesn't stop there. Wednesday night, we're taking things up a notch with a special Carnival-themed dinner event. It's free for Carotek customers and industry colleagues, but seats are limited. So what are you waiting for? Join us October 16th and 17th at Carotek's Matthews, North Carolina headquarters, and take your process solutions to the next level. Register now.